What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about the top 7 ways that you guys can find winning products in 2023. Now, these methods that I'm going to be showing you are not going to be all the traditional routes that basically every single dropshipper uses to find super saturated products. So I'm going to show you guys some really good methods that can actually find you unsaturated products that'll allow you to sell these products and start them with little to no competition. And this is going to be the best way to make money with dropshipping in 2023. So make sure you guys follow to the end of the video. Without any further ado, be sure to subscribe down below and let's get right into it. So first off, we have to talk about what exactly is a winning product. To sum it up, it's a product that has a wow factor. So it's something that'll stop you from scrolling immediately, let's say on TikTok or on Facebook, mainly because it's super unique and not something that you see traditionally in like a Walmart or Target. And then also it's something that'll solve a very big problem. An example is a posture corrector, right? So a product that can immediately fix your posture and it solves a problem with back pain, poor posture, slouching. So it's a purposeful product that you can actually sell for long term. And it's just not a one-hit wonder type of product like fidget spinners. Another thing that winning products do have in common as well is that they show proof of concept. So when you look on different platforms, let's say TikTok, a lot of times their videos will have millions of views, millions of likes, and tons of people in the comment section saying that they want this product. And so when we talk about unsaturated winning products, they have all these same exact characteristics, except there's not that many people trying to actively sell them and there's low competition. And the very first way that I want to talk about that you can find these products is using Amazon new releases. A lot of people forget that Amazon is its own e-commerce platform and there are tons of really cool products on there that you can find. And a lot of new ones actually hit Amazon before they do other platforms. And the main reason as to why you'd want to use Amazon is that you can find trends early. You can also see how long they've been selling for. So when you go to this new releases section, you can see that there are a ton of different products and they're actually ranked by how well they're performing. You can see the reviews for the product. And then also when you click on the product page and scroll to the bottom here, you can see exactly when the product was released and you can gauge how well it's currently doing. Like if a product has thousands of reviews and you go down and see that it was released within the past month, that is a really good sign that they're selling extremely well. Usually it's around 1 review per 10 orders. So if a product has around 100 plus reviews, you can expect them to have at least 1,000 orders for that specific product. And what I like to do is just to explore different subcategories. It's very similar to AliExpress in that there are a ton of different categories you can explore, like beauty, baby. We have like kitchen supplies. There's tons of really cool products that you can see on here. And some of them are actually variants of winning products, like super winning products that perform well on Facebook and TikTok. Another cool thing about Amazon as well for certain products is that you can use the reviews and the amount of listings for the product as a proof of concept. So if you go to the review section of a product page and you scroll to the bottom, you can explore the different negative reviews, positive reviews, see how much people really love this product. And you can really gauge on how well this would perform on other platforms like Facebook or TikTok. So really all Amazon is just doing the heavy lifting for you in terms of verifying a product. And you basically have to take that, create your own Shopify store, create your own ads, and market that on different platforms. Like even when I find a really cool product, let's say on TikTok, I'll always go on Amazon to see how good the reviews are and how good the quality is, or something that I can also improve on to market it better. And then coming in at number 2, we have TikTok hashtags. Now when I talk about TikTok hashtags, there's ones that a lot of people use. A lot of people use like TikTok maybe buy it, Amazon finds. But what I do recommend that you guys do is try to mix up those hashtags, sort by the last week or month, and then the most liked video. So other hashtags you guys can use is maybe like trends or product reviews or need it. And then another really big one as well is AliExpress product review accounts. There are tons of people on TikTok that do these Amazon product reviews or other website product reviews, and they actually get commissions for these products because people send them in, and it can give you a really good idea of what's currently selling, what people are reacting to. And when you explore these accounts, you can see what types of videos have gotten the most traction, explore the comment section, see what people are saying. And if people are saying like, oh yeah, I really love this product, this is definitely something that I want to purchase, where can I buy it? That can be a really good sign that it's a potential product that you can test, especially if you haven't seen anyone sell it before. And then you have these accounts as well. They're basically like AliExpress suppliers. They're kind of like bad quality or Facebook style types of videos, but they still get traction and a lot of views. And you can actually use these accounts to find really cool product ideas and maybe even take some of their videos to test with Facebook ads. Another cool thing about TikTok as well is that you can use the traditional feed method to engage on dropshipping videos on your feed. So let's say you look up a certain product like, I don't know, a back cracker or a galaxy projector. You can actually go to their accounts, like their videos, follow them, and when you're scrolling on TikTok, TikTok is going to be like, okay, well, this person likes to see drop shipping style videos or these types of products, so we're going to show you more of these types of videos. That way, more drop shipping products will show up on your feed, and you can actually find products very early by doing this. And then another cool thing about TikTok as well is that they have a TikTok Creative Center that shows you the top ads that are performing within like the past week or past month. And you can even sort by different categories and then sort by conversions to see who's optimizing for sales, which means that people are either doing drop shipping or have some sort of e-commerce brand. But do take a note, a lot of people probably use the Creative Center, so try to mix it up with your filter. Maybe look up different products for Australia, United Kingdom, Germany, France, just so you're not looking at the same exact products as everyone else. And then coming in at number 3, you guys, we have Facebook. Facebook has always been old reliable for finding really cool products, and really the best way that you guys can do this is by using the traditional feed method. And one tool that I recommend that you guys use this with is My Ad Finder. So My Ad Finder actually filters out all the other organic posts on Facebook. That way you can only see video ads on your feed, and the more dropshipping videos that you like or product videos that you like on your feed, the more that Facebook will show you. And over time, with this Chrome extension turned on, all you will have is dropshipping ads on your feed, so you can see a lot of really cool products. And then once you find a cool product, you can save that video and then put it to your collection and then do more research. Another thing you can do as well on Facebook is go to the Facebook bar, the search bar at the top, and look up different ad copy terms like 50% off, shop now, get yours today, something like that. It'll show you different video ads. And then coming in at number 4, you guys, is the Google search method. This is a huge one because I feel like not enough people do this, and that's actually finding big competitors on Google. So an example would be, let's look up the Backcracker. You guys can actually find the top ranking sites for this product. So the people that show up first are usually the ones that are like spending the most for ads to show up at the top. And usually when people do this, they're not going to be doing it if it's unprofitable, obviously. So when you go to their website, you'll actually be able to see the exact products that they're currently testing. And usually for these big stores that are, you know, making thousands upon thousands of dollars per day, they're going to have a really good idea on what products to test next. And there have been so many different products that I've never seen before that are very unique. And this is by far probably one of the best ways for free to spy on big competitors for products that we all basically know. And it's pretty crazy too. Some of these stores have insane marketplaces of products, and you can use the same method on other platforms as well. So let's say we have Ulta Body, right? We go to their website, you can see what products they're currently testing, like this neck massager tool is currently selling really well on TikTok, and they're testing that as well. So obviously they have a general idea. Most stores that are really huge like this have a general idea of what's currently working, of what really good products to test. So this way you can start hopping onto those products early without anyone else knowing that it exists. But the Google search method is probably one of the best ones to find unsaturated products that basically have little to no competitors. And then going on to number 5, you guys, we have YouTube top products. So I'm sure you guys have seen those tons of different videos on YouTube talking about, oh yeah, sell this product now, best products of December, best products of January. And you guys are probably wondering, well, these videos probably have a ton of saturated products that thousands, if not millions of people have already seen and are trying to sell. But what you guys need to understand is that most people never test these products. And what I recommend that you guys do is to go back to maybe last year or maybe like 6 months ago and watch those videos. You can get a lot of really good product ideas that people aren't even actively testing because people are lazy. And this was actually how I got my first winning product that had like no competitors. And that was just by going back a couple of months, watching one of these videos, and I was able to go from 0 to 50K within 1 month. And that product was super unsaturated because there were no active sellers. So as soon as I started running ads for it, it was very easy to get the customers that I wanted, and my ad costs were pretty low. And you guys also have to understand that a lot of products reset every 3 to 6 months. 6 months down the road, it'll probably start selling it well again. We see that a lot on TikTok. And you can even use the same concept for different product research platforms. Let's say you're using Niche Scraper or Ecom Hunt. You can go back like 6 months or even a year and see what products have done the best. And then if there are no competitors for it, it might be a good sign to start testing it again. Because like I said, a lot of people are lazy, don't even test. And if they do end up testing a product, it's going to be like a month after they find out it exists. And then coming in at number 6, we have exploring AliExpress. Now this is actually a more advanced type of research method, mainly because you're going to be exploring different subcategories. It can take a while. You can find a lot of really cool gems or like unicorn types of products that have maybe or anywhere from around 100 to maybe 1,000 orders and really good reviews. Now, since these types of products are going to be unsaturated and don't really have that many people that are actively selling them, you always have to go back to the checklist and ask yourself, does this have a wow factor? Is this something that I would stop scrolling for? Does it solve a problem? Does it have a wide market of people that I could sell it to and scale to? And maybe is it on Amazon? Do people love this product? Are there a bunch of reviews for it? And you can also see exactly when it was released. But over time, when you do a lot more product research, you'll get a lot better eye of what a winning product is or what a potential winning product could be. And once you dial this in, you can make a ton of money. And then coming in at number 7, we have Alibaba. So I'm sure some of you guys don't really look at Alibaba as like a dropshipping platform, but you can actually dropship off of Alibaba. The cool thing about it is that they actually have a section for new arrivals. They also have a section for trending products, and you can sort of explore all the different subcategories as well on this platform. Like they also have personal protective equipment, but there are a lot of really cool products that I similarly see on here to AliExpress. And then another really cool thing about the new arrivals section is that for some of these products, it'll show you a popularity score. This way you guys can see how many people are actively trying to dropship this product. And you can also go to the best reviewed section to get a good idea of the quality control of these products. Another really cool thing that you guys can do is if you go to the homepage here on Alibaba and then scroll down to the bottom, you can see the products that have gotten the top sales per category. An example would be like the home appliances here. If we go to top sales, you can see that in the past 90 days, this laser epilator and this like hair curler device have made $40,000 plus in transactions. And that's what makes Alibaba really cool out of all these other platforms, that they actually show you the data for these products. With that being said, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video and got a ton of value out of it. There's tons of different ways that you guys can do product research, but these are the top 7 ways that I think are the best to find unsaturated winning products that you can test out. So if you guys like videos like these, I post shorts every single day, and I also post YouTube videos 5 times plus per week. So be sure to subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.